we've got our Sea-Doo Trix or our Sea-Doo Spark, and clearly you can see this is not a step, so you don't want to step on that and break it. You'll probably be out a couple $100 if you do. However, you can purchase a step for your ski, and I'm going to show you how I installed this one here. So this I bought on Amazon for approximately $90. It has a little rubber grip here, so that's pretty nice. And these are actually spring-loaded, and you will see in just a second how this works. This easy. There are already holes on my jet ski. They're not threaded holes. The one on the right now you can see is threaded because I already put a screw in it, and it just threads itself basically. All right, so they've designed this bracket that the top part will actually just slide right into your ski. Pretty ingenious. It only comes with 2 screws. Screws right into the bottom here. All right, your screws go right into the bottom here, and your screwdriver should have enough room to get in here, and just like so, and turn that screw. All right, once your 2 screws are totally tightened down, your step is ready to use. Nice.